tradition of Christmas tree lighting has become a beloved event in many cities around the world. The lighting of the Christmas tree is a powerful symbol of togetherness and joy.